Your funded account has been flat for 3 weeks. No big losses, no wins either, just boring sideways movement. Every morning you wake up thinking today's the day, but every night you close your charts having taken 0 trades because nothing looked right. Meanwhile, your trading buddies are posting profit screenshots from setups you deliberately skipped. The pressure is eating at you. You're starting to wonder if you're being patient or just scared. Here's the truth nobody tells you. Patience in trading feels awful. It feels like everyone else is making money while you're stuck on the sidelines watching. The difference between traders who make it and traders who quit isn't that successful traders never feel this way. They just learn to see waiting as making money, not missing money. What I'm about to show you are 3 simple ideas that flip patience from torture into your biggest advantage. Your brain gets tired. Your brain can only make so many good decisions each day before it starts making stupid ones. Think of it like your phone battery. Every chart you look at, every setup you think about, every decision you make drains that battery a little bit. Patient traders get this. They know their mental battery is more valuable than their trading account because a dead battery leads to trades that blow up accounts. Here's how it works. Your first trade idea of the day gets your best thinking. Your brain is fresh, you're sharp, you see things clearly, but by your 20th chart analysis that same day, your brain is running on empty. You miss obvious red flags. You talk yourself into trades you should skip. You're making decisions with a tired brain and wondering why they keep going wrong. Traders who scan 50 pairs daily act like their brain has unlimited power. They flip through endless time frames and look at every possible setup their system spits out. This mental overload makes them tired enough to take crappy trades they would have rejected when fresh. They're burning their valuable resource for no reason. The flip is simple. Every bad trade you skip isn't a missed opportunity. It's mental energy you just saved for when a great trade shows up. When you pass on that sketchy euro-dollar setup, you're keeping your brain fresh for the perfect gold trade that might pop up tomorrow. Skipping trades isn't weakness, it's smart energy management. Good traders make this practical. They watch fewer pairs, spend less time analyzing, and have strict rules that automatically filter out junk trades. This keeps their brain fresh so when their actual edge appears, they have full mental power to spot it, size it right, and manage it well. Understanding your brain has limits prepares you for the second idea about why patience actually makes you money. Every trade you take costs you the next one. Traditional thinking treats every trade you skip as money left on the table. This creates pressure to jump into mediocre setups instead of waiting for great ones. Patient traders think backwards. They know every average trade they take means they can't take the amazing trade that's coming. Patience isn't about sitting still, it's about keeping your money ready for the really good stuff. Think about it this way. If you're already in a meh British pound trade when a perfect gold setup appears, your money is locked up in low probability while high probability is passing you by. The real cost of impatience isn't the money you lose on bad trades. It's all the great trades you miss because your cash was stuck in okay trades. Amateur traders do the math wrong. They count waiting days as lost income. Patient traders count it differently. They measure the cost of being in constant mediocre positions when exceptional opportunities show up. This mental switch makes waiting feel like protecting profits instead of missing profits. The shift happens when you stop seeing patience as doing nothing and start seeing it as smart positioning. You're not sitting there wishing you were trading. You're staying ready to grab the trades that actually pay your bills. The few killer setups you nail with full size and zero doubt will make you more money than 50 mediocre trades taken just to feel busy. Smart traders make this real by doing the math ahead of time. If their system gives them about 8 quality setups per month, going 3 weeks without a trade isn't a problem. It's just how opportunities spread out. Knowing this kills the pressure to force trades when nothing good is happening. Understanding this backward math leads to the third idea about patience's real power. You profit. When impatient traders break. Patient traders make money from a pattern that happens over and over. People who can't handle waiting do dumb things that create opportunities for people who can wait. Markets constantly misprice things simply because impatient money needs to do something right now, regardless of whether it makes sense. These opportunities only show up for traders willing to wait through the boring times. Here's the pattern. During choppy, unclear markets, impatient traders are busy losing money through overtrading while patient traders are preserving capital. When clean, obvious opportunities finally appear, patient traders have full resources ready to go while impatient traders are broke, distracted, or mentally destroyed from recent losses. The opportunities pop up at specific moments where patient money meets opportunity while impatient money is exhausted. This might be after long sideways periods that frustrated active traders into giving up, or after violent moves that stopped out impatient entries but set up perfect entries for patient traders. Patient traders aren't smarter, they're just mentally available when others aren't. Traders miss this because they think about individual trades instead of psychological cycles. They don't see that the 3-week chop fest they just survived created perfect conditions for their edge to work. They quit waiting right when the setup they needed was forming. The market didn't change, they just ran out of patience before opportunity arrived. The real edge isn't better analysis than other traders, it's better patience. Everyone has the same charts and indicators, but very few can wait through low opportunity periods without forcing action. This patience gap is where you actually make money. The big picture is this. Markets move money from impatient people to patient people through a psychological tax. Every trade taken from boredom, FOMO, or the need to feel productive pays a tax that adds up over time. Patient traders collect this tax by being on the other side of these emotional trades, entering when others are exiting from frustration. Advanced stuff. Your best trades almost always come right after your hardest waiting periods. The market tests your patience before it pays you, filtering out traders who can't handle discomfort long enough to reach the opportunity. When you can outlast this test consistently, you get opportunities that others never see because they gave up too early. Comment below how long you've been waiting and whether you're doubting yourself or trusting the process. Because patience in trading isn't sitting around doing nothing. It's sitting around doing nothing while impatient traders wear themselves out so you have maximum firepower when opportunity actually shows up. Learn to preserve your mental energy, keep your money ready for great setups instead of okay ones, and profit from impatient traders' mistakes. And you'll see that patience isn't what you sacrifice for success. Patience is what creates success by putting you on the opposite side of the impatient majority. Your gut will scream at you to trade more, move faster, and grab every possible opportunity. But the money goes to traders who understand that being ready beats being busy.